Hi friends, welcome back to Mathsdale. Today we are going to solve quadratic equations with a coefficient in front of x squared. I'm going to solve these three quadratic equations with a coefficient in front of x squared. I'm going to show you a quick trick how to work it out. I'll start with the first one, just 3x squared minus 11x plus 6. I'm going to quickly use a trick to factorize this. So first we are going to multiply the first coefficient and the last one. 6 times 3, which is 18. We'll write down 18. Now we'll get the factors for 18. 1 times 18, 18. 2 times 9, 18. 3 times 6, 18. That's it. There are no more factors for that. Now we have to see which pair of the factors make the middle number. So by adding or subtracting. So what we got is 2 and 9 add up to make 11. Now I'm going to show you a trick where you can straight get the answer for that. Write double bracket, write 3x, not square. So just write 3x, 3x both the sides. I repeat, 3x without the square along with the coefficient x both the sides. Write the bigger number from the factor here, smaller number here. Now put the middle coefficient sign with the bigger number, which is minus. We are adding them. If you are adding them, they should have the same sign. I repeat, if you are adding them, they should have the same sign. So it's minus 9, it will be minus 2. That makes minus 11. That's it, done. And the last step is, you see, they both go in the same table. So quickly divide by 3, which is x minus 3. And this, just bring it down as it is, x minus 2. That's it, done. We solve quadratic equation with the coefficient in front of x squared. Nice and simple two-step trick. I'm going to solve a bit more, 2 more questions just to make things easy for you. This is the second one now, which is 8x squared minus 10x plus 3. We are going to factorize this again, applying the same method. Follow that, please. So what we did, first coefficient and the last one, we multiply them, which is 8 times 3, which is 24. We write 24 here. Get the factors of 24, which is 1 and 24. Always start with the first and the last, then move on. Then 2 and 12, and 3 times 8, and 4 times 6, 24. That's it. These are the ones. Now we see which two pairs make the middle number, add or subtract. Now here we found 2 of them. 6 and 4 add 10, and 12 minus 2 add 10 again. Now which one are we picking? It's a bit tricky stuff, so be careful when we pick these type of things. Now we see that 6 plus 4 is 10, but plus 6 times plus 4 is plus 24. Yes, so this is our option. And why are we not taking that? Because 12 minus 2 is 10, definitely. But like 12 times minus 2 will be minus 24, but we have plus 24. So we just go for this option now. Now what we're doing again, we put in the double bracket. We write 8x without square. We write the bigger number here, smaller number here. The middle coefficient sign will come to the bigger number. Are we adding them? Yes, we are adding them. If we are adding them, they should have the same sign. If it's negative, this should be negative. That's it. And the last bit is bring it down. So bring it down, see what table they both go in, factorize that, divide them basically. So they both go in 2 times table, divide by 2, which is 4x minus 3, and here again that goes in 4 times table, so you divide by 4, which is 2x minus 1. That's it. That's your final answer. 4x minus 3 times 2x minus 1. That's factorized. Nice and easy 2 steps method. Many people struggle that, but if you carefully follow that, understand that, you can easily solve that. I'm going to solve one more quadratic equation with the coefficient in front of x square for your easy understanding, and do it along with me so you guys can understand much better. I'm going to solve the third one now, which is 6x squared plus 13x minus 5 equals 0. Now in this I'm using equals 0 because like questions do come like now they want you to find out the root of x, value of x, solve them x. So now we'll do a bit more in that. Now first we have to factorize, exactly same method what we did in last 2 questions. So first coefficient times the last, which is 6 times 5, 30. So write down 30, get the factors for 30, which is 1 times 30. Yeah, anyone struggling in factors, making the factors, these are the method they can follow. Even you get separate questions on that. So 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times, read 3 table till you get 30, which is 10. Don't go in the 4 times table, goes in 5 times table, which is 5 times 6, 30. That's it. These are the factors for 30. Now which number, which pair makes 13? Add or subtract? Now again we have 2 options here. We have one option 10 plus 3, 13. And the second option we have 15 take away 2, 13. Which one are we picking now? Again, okay, let's try that. 10 plus 3, 13. But plus 10 times plus 3 is plus 30. But we have minus 30. Minus 30. Minus 5 times 6, minus 30. So we can't take that. Now 15 take away 2 is 13 again. So minus 15 times 2 is minus 30. So we will go for this option. So be careful when you pick the options. Things can go wrong if you pick the wrong one. Now I'm sure you guys know already. Can you guys start working with me please? So which is, write 6x, no square, bigger number put it here, smaller number put it here, middle sign goes with the bigger one. Since we are subtracting them, now before in previous questions we added them, now here we are subtracting them, so it should be opposite sign of that and is equal to 0. So what we do, we divide that. Again, that both goes in 3 times table. So which is 2x plus 5, and this divided by 2, which is 3x minus 1 equals 0. I'm pretty sure you guys got it till here. Now the last step is finding the value of x, solving x, find the root for x, different names for that. So now this is plus 5. So you write minus 5 over 2. And the second root is, if it's minus 1, you write plus 1 over 3. That's it. These are the roots for x. We solved it. Practice this, guys. This is the main. Many people struggle in that with the coefficient in front of x squared, but these are like 2-step method. You can easily solve, get the thing done. So hope you guys like the video. If you like it, subscribe it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.